raining. Look at that. Look at the rain. I'm keeping some water, rainwater. Oh, the cloud is so dark. Look at that, guys. Raining last night din. Umulan mula kahapon. Umulan din kaya, ayan, maraming ano ngayon. Hindi makalabas yung mga kabayo ko, guys. Tambay yung kabayo ko, guys. Hindi sila makalabas, guys. So, maglilinis na lang ako ng stable para kuhaan ko na lang sila mamaya ng Nipiagra. Yung isa, kumakain pa sa loob. At si Bulilit ay naghihintay yung kailan siya lalabas at para rolling na siya, guys. So, yan, guys. Ang lakas ng ulan, guys. Grabe, guys. Kahapon pa yan ulan, guys. Sana sa Pilipinas na yung ulan. Yan, rainwater. Nagkikip ako ng rainwater, guys. Ang itim ng kalangitan, guys. Raining, 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 raining here in Malaysia. Sana sa Pilipinas na itong ulan, guys. Kahapon pa ito na hapon. Hanggang ngayon, guys. Umuulan pa rin. Kaya yan, guys. Oh. Lakas na, guys, ng ulan, guys. Oh. Overflowing na, guys. So, look at our drainage, guys. Uy, ang dami ng tubig, guys. Very heavy, guys. Ang water, rainwater, guys. Guys, guys. Yan. So much, guys, to all my subscribers and my viewers. I love you all, guys. Bye. Please subscribe to my channel. Sana Bartolatag kay Mix Vlog. Hi. Guys, hello, good morning, guys. I'm Odiboy, guys. And Guardian, guys. So my grumpy girl there. Sisi. Ah! Oh lala, oh lala, oh lala. Uy, very good boy. Ow, don't bite my head.